Alright, so this is going to be a quick video on multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Again, these follow how we would multiply and divide fractions. So really it should be kind of a review for you guys, but if not, it's okay. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to do number one, which is 2 over x times x squared over 3, two rational expressions, they're both rational expressions. And what we're going to do, like we would always do with multiplying fractions, is we multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. So basically we're just multiplying straight across. Whatever we get is our fraction. It's pretty straightforward. So what we're going to do is I'm going to say 2 times x squared is 2x squared. Okay, x times 3 is 3x. And this would be my final answer. If we want, we can simplify it. We can say that this x cancels out one of the x's on top, so I'm left with 2x over 3. This would be my final simplified answer, but these are equivalent, so they're not going to harm you by doing that. With division, it's a little bit more complicated. Not a whole lot more complicated, but we'll see. So I have x minus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x over x squared minus 1. So what I want to do here with these fractions is, so there's two ways. The way that I know a lot of people do it is that we're going to take the reciprocal of the second of what's being of what is dividing the function. So we're going to take the reciprocal of this. So let me keep this the same. So I have x minus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So one common way to think about it is we switch and flip basically. So we're going to switch the division sign into a multiplication sign, then we're going to flip, we're going to get the reciprocal of the second term, which would be times x squared minus 1 over x. And then once we reach this point, it's basically what we're doing here, we'd multiply straight across. So if we do that, I have x minus 2, which I'll leave in simplest form, or leave in factored form right now. X minus 2 times x squared minus 1. If you wanted to, you could distribute that. Then I would do x squared plus 5x plus 6. All that's times x. So that is one way you can do it. The other way that I prefer to do it is like this. It's called the sandwich method. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to say that it's x minus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now remember that the division sign is basically just a fraction bar, and if you notice, the division sign is actually just basically a symbol of something goes here, divided by something goes there. So actually the division bar is just an empty fraction. Like, you've never noticed that before, it's kind of interesting. Maybe not. Then it's divided by x over x squared minus 1. Now the reason they call it sandwich method is because we're going to multiply the buns of the sandwich here, or the hamburger buns, I don't know, sandwich, hamburger, whatever. Bread on the outside, meat on the middle. So you have, you're going to multiply the top and the bottom, and then the two things in between. This would give us the same exact answer where I have x minus 2 times x squared minus 1, which is what here. And then I have x squared plus 5x plus 6 times x, which goes down here. So it'll give me the same exact answer. I'm going to do it here some. It's just, you don't necessarily have to think about doing the switch and flip that you would normally in this problem. So either way, either method you like for division works the same way. As long as you're doing the actual multiplication itself, once you get there correctly, they'll give you the same answers and you'll be all set. So this has been multiplying and dividing rational expressions, and hopefully you're able to do that after this video.